Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I actually just tried making a slime and it really worked. So all I did was add this, my little Freeman's face wash, some contact solution, and some baking soda, and it made this cute little slime. So I will make some for y'all. Well, not for y'all, but for y'all on here. So you're gonna add your contact solution. A lot of people add that first. And you know how sometimes it will look like it's working and it really doesn't. You have to add in a little bit of your baking soda. I'm gonna add some more of that just because I have this bottle. So as y'all can tell, it's working, coming along, and so it's actually really working. And actually, I was surprised when it worked, because normally you just make these things and it doesn't work. So it worked really good. It may be a little bit sticky. Add some baking soda or whatever it needs. It may need contact solution, I don't know. If it doesn't work, sorry for the bad luck. I mean, it was real. I enjoy doing it. So now I have this big of a slime and it's really cute. They say it's gonna turn clear because I made it with some clear shell. It's ropey, but it's a really good slime. I mean, it doesn't make bubbles and all, but it's really good for a slime. So I just wanted to kind of come in on a day like this and just show y'all some slime. And yeah, so y'all have a great day and bye.